No gathering is complete without the remembrance of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. For that, I would like to call Muhammad Maas to recite from the Holy Quran.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. لو أنزلنا لرأيته خاشعا متصدعا من خشية الله وتلك الأمثال نضربها للناس لعلهم يتفكرون. هو الله الذي لا إله.
To move forward, I would like to call the other reciter of the Holy Quran to enlighten our hearts with his relaxing, soothing and melodious voice. Please welcome Muhammad Sameer Kashif.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الرحمن علم القرآن خلق علمه البيان. الشمس والقمر بحسبان والنجم والشجر يسجدان والسماء ووضع الميزان ألا تطغوا في الميزان وأقيموا الوزن بالقسط ولا تخسروا الميزان والأرض وضعها للأنام فيها فاكهة والنخل ذات الأكمام والحب ذو العصف والريحان فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
And now I would like to invite Sir Hassan to give an initial speech, give more instructions for this beautiful sermon.
जज़ाकल्लाहु खैरन कसीरा। अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। नहमदुहु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम। अम्मा बाद फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम। बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली। आमीन या रब्बल आलमीन। My beloved students, it's really heartfelt happiness today to see you all here in this event of the Independence Day of Pakistan. Let's not forget the sacrifices given by our ancestors, our forefathers, in order to get this independent country for us. The state where we are free to do everything, to say everything, and to act upon the instructions given to us by our leaders. Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Liaquat Ali Khan, Allama Iqbal, and so many other names we may have forgotten. But we have to remember the names of the forefathers who have struggled a lot, who really endeavored in order to get us this independent country where we are sitting today, and we are free from all the shackles of the Hinduism, the shackles of Christianity, the shackles of Judaism, the shackles of other people, other religions, and we are Muslims here in this free Muslim state. And today the event we have organized here, and I'm very much honored to talk to you people today, because this is your effort that you people have put, your indefatigable efforts in order to prepare your...
To move our ceremony forward, I am going to invite Musfira for the speech. Before that, I would like to motivate you with this beautiful poetry, which is written in Urdu. Zarra zarra na bano, zarra zarra na bano, सिमटो चट्टान बन जाओ, जर्रा जर्रा न बनो, सिमटो चट्टान बन जाओ, कतरा कतरा न बहो, आबे रवा बन जाओ, कतरा कतरा न बहो, आबे रवा बन जाओ, एक हो आवाज सबकी एक अंदाज़े बयां, एक हो आवाज सबकी एक अंदाज़े बयां, तजदीद न हो सके जिसकी ऐसा तुम बयां बन जाओ। प्लीज वेलकम मिस मुस्फिरा।
Respected teacher and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I would like to start the speech with poetry. बागबान आज़ाद है, ज़हने चमन आज़ाद है, बागबान आज़ाद है, ज़हने चमन आज़ाद है, वो मुबारक दोस्तों अपना चमन आज़ाद है। I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Today we have gathered here to celebrate 78th Independence Day, our day of nation. It is a day of pride, a day of remembrance, and most importantly, a day of gratitude on 15th August 1947. India broke free from the chain of the British rule after nearly 200 years of struggle, sacrifice, and relentless efforts by freedom fighters. वतन के जानिसार हैं, वतन के काम आएंगे, वतन के जानिसार हैं, वतन के काम आएंगे, हम इस जमीन को एक दिन आसमां बनाएंगे। Independence is not just about being free from foreign rule. It is about freedom, freedom of expression, opportunity, and justice for all. It is about building a country that is strong, inclusive, and progressive. As proud citizens, it is our duty to protect this freedom. Let's not forget that Independence Day comes with responsibility.
Wonderful speech. Let's now call Aisha to give a wonderful speech here. Please welcome Aisha Gibran. I am calling out the name of the girl whose father himself appeared in many of the battles, showed up in many of the battles, and represented his life for the sake of this country. We are honored here to have her here, and she will be giving a wonderful speech. Come here, Aisha.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Aisha. And today I'm going to talk about a very important topic, which is Independence Day. Independence is not just about celebrating one day. It is the reminder of the sacrifices of our ancestors. They sacrificed themselves, their lives, their families, and their comfort just to give us independence. And Pakistan, a country where we live with freedom. But some people say that we are not independent. They said the injustice in Pakistan, the broken roads, the people are suffering from poverty. One of the biggest reasons is that we lack unity. Our problems and struggles mostly come from our own disunity. We have divided ourselves into different groups, into different castes, and even into small personal interests. Instead of standing together as one nation, we fight among ourselves. But let me remind you, we are not Punjabi, not Sindhi, not Balochi. We are Pakistanis, and that's who we are. Have you ever seen or heard about the condition of Gaza and Jammu Kashmir? If you want to understand the real meaning of independence, go and ask. Assalamu alaikum. I am Zaria Khan. Today, I stand before you with great pride and joy to speak about a day that is written in golden letters in the history of our beloved country. Now, picture this. Before 1947, Muslims were in the subcontinent under the British rule. They were a minority facing political neglect, economic injustice, and cultural control. Their rights, religion, and identity were under constant threat. The atmosphere of the subcontinent was like a Pakistan versus India cricket match. It was during these dark times when visionary leaders like Allama Iqbal gave the idea of a separate homeland. And Qaeda Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah led the Pakistan movement with courage and determination. But let's be real, this independence was not achieved overnight. It came after decades of struggles and sacrifice. Now let's fast forward it to today. We stand in a free Pakistan, breathing the air of independence earned by the sacrifices of our forefathers. But independence is more than just a date on the calendar, more than waving flags, singing songs, and lighting fireworks. We must ask ourselves, are we truly free today? Free from corruption, injustice, and inequality. Free from ignorance, poverty, and division. True independence will come when every citizen of Pakistan can live with dignity, unity, and security. So let us rise not just as citizens, but as the guardian of our ancestors died for. Together we can shape a Pakistan where independence is not just celebrated, but truly lived. Thank you.
Let's now invite Mr. Salim to give a speech. Please welcome Mr. Salim.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Salim, and today this institute gives me opportunity to speak in front of this crowd. And today I will talk about Independence Day. First of all, we have to know what is Independence Day. Independence Day is the result of sacrifices and struggle of those Muslims under the supervision of Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Qazi Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Allama Iqbal, and Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, and many more. At that time, every Muslim need peace in subcontinent. But our national poet, Allama Iqbal gave idea of separate nation and separate homeland. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan also play a vital role in independence by forcing Muslims to educate their children and by improving the relationship and understanding between Muslims and Britishers to get the power in politics. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan also asked for separate electorates from Britishers. I think that the Pakistan, which was made on the principle of discipline, unity, and faith, that is incomplete. We have to promise ourselves that we have to change Pakistan. We have to change Pakistan by stopping corruption and unite Pakistan. As we can see that nowadays the Balochistan is facing many problems because of the Pakistan is not united.
For the national song, I would like to invite Ms. Suhaiba.
Assalamu alaikum, my name is Suhaiba Asif and today I am here to present a national song. ये तेरा पाकिस्तान है, ये मेरा पाकिस्तान है, तेरा पाकिस्तान है, ये मेरा पाकिस्तान है, इस पे कुर्बान, इस पे जान भी कुर्बान है, ओ इस पे कुर्बान, इस पे जान भी कुर्बान है। तेरा पाकिस्तान है, ये मेरा पाकिस्तान है, तेरा पाकिस्तान है, ये मेरा पाकिस्तान है, इस पे कुर्बान, इस पे जान भी कुर्बान है, ओ इस पे कुर्बान, इस पे जान भी कुर्बान है। इसकी बुनियादों में है तेरा आलम, मेरा आलम, इससे तेरी आबरू है, इससे तेरी आबरू, इसकी बुनियादों में है तेरा आलम, मेरा आलम, इससे तेरी आबरू है, इससे मेरी आबरू, इससे तेरा नाम है, इससे मेरी पहचान है, इससे तेरा नाम है, इससे मेरी पहचान है, इस पे कुर्बान, इस पे जान भी कुर्बान, ओ इस पे कुर्बान, इस पे जान भी कुर्बान है। मेरा पाकिस्तान है, ये तेरा पाकिस्तान है, मेरा पाकिस्तान है, ये तेरा पाकिस्तान है, इस पे कुर्बान, इस पे जान भी कुर्बान है, ओ इस पे कुर्बान, इस पे जान भी कुर्बान है। ये मेरे कायद की जीती जागती तस्वीर है, हज़रत इक़बाल के ख्वाबों की तामीर है, ये मेरे कायद की जीती जागती तस्वीर है, हज़रत इक़बाल के ख्वाबों की तामीर है, ये वतन प्यारा वतन सरमाया ईमान है, ये वतन मेरा वतन सरमाया ईमान है, इस पे कुर्बान, इस पे जान कुर्बान है, ओ इस पे कुर्बान, इस पे जान भी कुर्बान है। मेरा पाकिस्तान है, ये तेरा पाकिस्तान है, मेरा पाकिस्तान है, ये तेरा पाकिस्तान है, इस पे कुर्बान, इस पे जान भी कुर्बान है, ओ इस पे कुर्बान, इस पे जान भी कुर्बान है।
MashaAllah, her lines truly reflected on the love we have in our heart. What a wonderful national song we have delivered, Ms. Suhaiba. To move our function forward, let's call Ms. Habiba for the speech.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Habiba and today I am going to talk about the Independence Day of Pakistan. As 14 August is the Independence Day of Pakistan. On this day, 1947, we got freedom. We thank Allah and remember our great leaders like Quaid-e-Azam and Allama Iqbal. Our flag shows unity and peace. As good citizens, we should study well, respect elders, and keep our country clean. Let us promise to fight ignorance with knowledge, corruption with unity, corruption with honesty, division with unity. I want to end my speech with a poetry.
This land is green, the sky so free. Is home to you, is home to me. This land is green, the sky so free. Is home to you, is home to me. This heart so pure, this dream so high. This heart so pure, this dream so high. Will raise our flag up to the sky. Thank you.
Mr. Basim, please come on the stage.
If you want to know the value of freedom, ask the ones who live without it. Assalamu alaikum, respected teachers, honorable guests, and my dear friends. Today, we see our green flag flying high. But remember, this flag is not just cloth. It is the story of pain, hope, and sacrifice. On 14th August 1947, Pakistan was born. It was not given to us easily. Our leaders and our people worked hard, suffered, and even gave their own lives for it. Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, who dreamed of a land where Muslims could live free, follow Islam, and make their own future. But before independence, Muslims were not treated fairly. Life was full of problems, but they did not give up. They struggled, they stood together, and they won Pakistan. Independence is not just one day of celebration. It is our duty every single day to be honest, to stay united, and to work for our country. So today, let us make a promise. We will protect Pakistan. We will make it stronger. Because Pakistan is not just a land. It is our home, our pride, and our heart. Pakistan Zindabad.
Assalamu alaikum, respected teachers and guests and my dear fellows. Assalamu alaikum and good evening to everyone. Today we are gathered to celebrate Independence Day of Pakistan on 14th August 1947. After a long struggle and many sacrifices, Muslims of the subcontinent got their own homeland where they could live freely and practice Islam. Our flag is green, our sky so white. With hope and faith, we walk with pride. Thought every stone, we stand so tall. Pakistan forever, one for all. This freedom was not easy to achieve. Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah led the nation with honesty and courage. Why Allama Iqbal, Muslim with the dream of Pakistan. Their vision and struggle gave us an independent country where we live today with dignity. Land the pure shining bright, guided always by truth and light. With unity, faith and sacrifice, Pakistan will forever rise. Independence Day is not just about celebration, it is also about responsibility. We must study hard, respect elders, live with honesty and work together to make Pakistan stronger and peaceful. Pakistan is our identity, our pride, our future. Pakistan Zindabad.